Be fast. Listen, that child is going to be a pro athlete.
My name is Patrick. I'm from Nashville, Tennessee, and I love potato chips. My company is called Pat Spuds, and...
Patrick, I'm out.
I'm out.
I'm out.
I'm out.
News.
One of the contestants is too nervous to start dancing, so in order to get confidence, the judges let his mum speak to him.
I think that conversation helped him, guys.